All right, y'all, what's good? Mark trying to turn the finish. So guess what today is? Today, we're putting together the machine. We setting up the gym, trying to finish up everything we need to do. This thing started. I don't know why this got caught off guard reading something. But yeah, we about to get it cleaned up, get everything set up. You're gonna watch the process. Before we get started, you already know what time it is, so let's first part done. We moved the treadmill, and then now I have to pull up these. Actually, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna pull this out, move these floor mats, break this back down so I can insert these poles. What I have to do now, I have to insert these poles, the silver poles in first. Then I have to insert in the actual connectors for the weights. But before I do that, I gotta put the bumpers on here and the weights, which are here, to that, and then I can start putting everything else back together. So it's gonna be probably a 2-day project, but I'm gonna try to knock it out in 1 day. Let's see what we can do. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh boy, I can't wait to put them on the wall right there and get my new one. Hey, you know what it is, Turned Up Fitness all day, 706-765-3429. Don't call that other number, 678-607-8656. Don't call that number, 1-706-765-3429. hard work. They're sweating like a horse slave out of Africa, but I'm gonna get this stuff done. This will be the first part of the video right here. Come back with the second part tomorrow. What we're gonna do, we'll start putting this machine together, putting all the equipment, the weights on it. It's gonna be a lot of work, but hopefully I can get this done tomorrow. I hope y'all watching this thing. This thing is real. Setting up this home gym. Basically, the name of the video is how to set up a home gym. Now, the thing about this home gym is I have equipment that's worth about $16,000. I'm not gonna tell you what I paid for it. I got a good deal, but I got some more equipment coming also. But definitely want to talk to you. Matter of fact, I damn near got this for free. The way I got this treadmill was I gave 4 clients 8 sessions for free, and they gave me this treadmill because they didn't use it no more in the house. Now, this piece of equipment here, I'm gonna tell you more about this and how to find some great deals on this type of equipment. But hey, you know, Mark Turner, you know where it's at, right? You know it's sitting right there, right? Turn Up Fitness. Don't pay attention to the top number, 706-765-3429. Hey, look, we'll talk soon. About to do the online training, about to go inside, get some work done on the online training. We'll talk soon.